Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Redmi Note 30 and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your game or application are not visible on your Google Play Store, as in my situation. To fix it, go back to the main menu of our Google Play Store, tap on your photo on the right corner and there choose settings. And hit family, parental controls, and as you can see we have page 3 right now. 2 visible game or applications, Mobile Legends game, we need more than page 3. To change it, tap on it, enter your connect pin to parental control and tap on maybe allow all included underrated, confirm I got it and save. You can also turn off your parental control by switch off. And that's all. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again, and it is visible right now and we can install it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!